Yeah, I think it's going to come to an end by tomorrow morning, and I think you get a good-looking afternoon for Friday, and then, boy, you are setting the table for a good-looking weekend. Right now, outside, all right, it's not great-looking, but, much improved, right? There's your picture. It is 73. You're almost done with the wet weather in the city. What's out there right now throughout the 5 boroughs, pretty light for us. 73 currently. High temp was 87. Now, 87 happened at 11:54 in the morning. 11:54, and you're pushing 90 degrees. Shortly thereafter, the clouds rolled in, then some rain kicked in, like around between 2 and 3, and sort of dropped those temperatures down into the 70s. But 87 officially your high. At 11:54, 84 is your average high for this time of the year. Let's talk about that. 84 degrees. Average high. That's the hottest average high temperature we get all year long, and it's really running from July 4th through August 9th. That's my birthday. All right, July 4th through August 9th, you average 84 degrees. That's what you should have for your high temperature. Well, these are our dog days of summer. This is the hottest that we get around here on average. Tomorrow, you're going to be warmer than the 84. I'm going to go for 87. It's warm. The humidity is still in place. Maybe a 20% chance for a little bit of leftover rain out there. And we picked up some big rain in spots out there. Trenton, almost 2.5 inches of rain. New York City, over 3/4 of an inch. Now, keep in mind, Central Park was running just about an inch in deficit for the month of July so far. And, today's rain almost brought us back to where we should be. And some folks are above average right now. Taking a peek at where the rain is and where it's going, the heaviest activity still well south of the city. Go down to the southern portions of Ocean County, okay? Out around Long Beach Island. Look, there's a lot of thunder and lightning associated with this cell around Stafford and, again, Long Beach Island. But I took the thunder and lightning, I looked the lightning bolts off because I want to see how heavy that rain still is. Even that blue shows you where there's some hail, and hail is just an indication of real strong updrafts, which is indicative of the strength of a storm. This is pushing into the ocean. Bigger picture is going to show you as we go down to the Gulf of Mexico. Here's our tropical storm. This is Barry. Now, the 11 o'clock numbers show Barry has gotten stronger, all right? 50-mile-per-hour winds now. It's still a tropical storm. Long way to go if it becomes a hurricane. Will it get to a hurricane status or not? It's going to be touch and go. Let me show you how we see things working out. There is, however, a hurricane warning for a good portion of the Louisiana coastline. Going to be close whether it becomes a Category 1 or just a strong tropical storm. Now, you do not see that icon that would show you a hurricane. That would mean that center circle would be filled in. We have a 65-mile-per-hour wind, then 50 as it's inland more. I would watch sometime for Friday, tomorrow, into Saturday. That's when we think we could be seeing a landfall. If it gets up to 74-mile-per-hour winds, then you would have a Category 1. I just think it's going to be a bigger story about how much rain they're going to get down there, combined with that storm pushing the water onshore and creating that storm surge. In our area, you get through the system that we have right now, and I'm telling you, some of the nicest weather of the entire summer is going to stretch from Saturday right through. That got KJ's attention from Saturday through Wednesday. Beautiful. You're talking 85 to 90, especially this weekend. Humidity will be down. I don't see anything brewing out there until maybe next Thursday.
Jeez. Wow. Are you sure about this?
I feel very sure about this. Hey, look, in my business, there's never 100% certainty, but I feel good about it.